You want to double down on your cast iron cooking game? This is how you do it. Hi, I'm JuliAnn. Welcome to my home. Our channel is devoted to building cast iron strong families by bringing them into the kitchen to make delicious recipes together. Subscribe because we post videos every Wednesday. These 4 tools will make your life more convenient. It's all about sizzling at the stove and just making your life easier. So our first tool is our silicone handle grip, and I have no idea where it is at the moment. Abby, do you have it?
Ah, shoot. Here you go.
Whew. Okay, so you got a silicone handle right there, goes right over the handle, and then I've got this red one that goes over the other side. Okay, now here's the deal with these. Use them like pot holders. Do not leave them on that skillet if they're going in the oven or on the flame. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, so this next one is our scraper. These are amazing because you know how when you're cooking and sometimes sticky stuff, you don't want to be using something metal to scratch this. So you literally just scrape your pan, okay? Jaren, looks like you've got a little something on the lens there. Tool number 3 is a stiff scrub brush. You really want this. This is your key cleaning tool for your cast iron skillet. There you go. And now for my favorite one, number 4, is my trophy case or my cast iron skillet rack. Because you know, one cast iron is not quite enough. Okay, we've got links for all of the tools below. For more cast iron how-tos, just click right here. And now for our life hack of the week. Okay, so if you have cooked and you've got sticky stuff all over your cast iron skillet, just put it on the stove with a little bit of water, turn on that flame, little bit of dish soap, and let it bubble up a little bit. It'll be so much easier for you to clean.